This is the leftover squash from yesterday's recipe. And today, let me show you what I can do it for you. Seeds removed. Now let's peel it off. Get your grater and start grating your squash. This is bigger than the cheese grater. Chickpea flour, baking powder is important for this recipe because it has got no eggs. This is suitable for vegetarian. Water, butter must be thick. Salt and pepper already in. A little bit of chili powder and paprika. If you have turmeric, will be very good as well. I am making squash fritters or squash pancake. Let's see if it's ready. Perfect.